Hey guys, welcome back to Moderate Performance. I have the Equinox daily driver up on the ramps because I'm going to put in some LED fog lights, but not just any LED fog lights. Let me show you. I've got new Duo LED fog lights from BrightSource. Not a sponsor yet. One of our distributors at work carries these guys, and I'm like, that looks awesome. So what they are is they are a white LED, but then you turn them off and then back on within like 5 seconds or something, and then they turn to yellow, which first of all, I've always wanted fog lights. This thing finally I have a vehicle that has fog lights. Second of all, I've always wanted yellow fog lights. I don't know if I always want yellow, so yeah, I'm very excited to get these in here, and I'll show you just how easy it is on this 2013 Equinox. It's actually quite easy to get at the fog lights. Let's go underneath the car. All right, so we got them on the ramps there, and boom, there's the fog light right there. This plate underneath, I knew that was there, and I was wondering if this space was all covered in, but thankfully, all I gotta do is reach my fat fingers up there, take out the bulb, swap it, and then we'll let the magic happen. So here we go. All right, so I've got them installed, and I will mention there is a little box in the wiring, and they do come with sticky pads, so I didn't want them dangling, so I got that one stuck on there. Same on the other side, I got it stuck to a box beside it. And I did have to clock them a little bit because these are a projector style lens. You do have to rotate them for you do have to rotate the bulb so it gets a nice light pattern or spray or whatever you want to call it. Because I put this one in, it was perfect right off the bat. The other one on this side, it had some kind of some dull spots, that I guess. So I had to take that one out. Thankfully, they come with this little Allen key right here. So at the base of the bulb, right around there, there is a hex, and you can loosen that off, rotate that, and get it so that it has a nice light pattern. So when it gets dark, I'll take this thing out and we'll see what she looks like. All right, so now I have just the fog lights on, just the white setting. I have no headlights on right now, so this is just LED fog lights, which is pretty bright. So yeah, now all I gotta do, switch off, switch on, and it's yellow. I don't know how well that's gonna show up on camera, but it is quite yellow. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see how much glare this cuts down in like fog and in snow. And yeah, so let me just get the headlights on. And so yeah, so without fog lights, I have just LEDs, and they're pretty good, but yeah, with the LED fog lights, all that area right in front of the hood, that lights it up real good. That's awesome. And then yeah, see, without, that's sweet. And then off, on, boom, now we got yellow. So that looks pretty great. I'm excited to see how much it helps in like bad weather. Not that I really want to hit bad weather, but if I do, yeah, I'm really excited for these. So yeah, super cool product. I'm super stoked on them. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. If it ain't broke, go drive it.